Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up MongoDB on VPS with TLS and auth, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting a suitable VPS provider and create an account. Log into your VPS provider's dashboard and create a new virtual server. Choose a Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu, for your server. Select the server size based on your expected workload. After the server is provisioned, note down the IP address. Connect to your VPS using an SSH client like PuTTY or terminal. Use the command SSH root at your _server_IP to log in as the root user. Once logged in, update the package repository by running apt-update and apt-upgrade. Install MongoDB by executing the command apt-install ymongodb. Start the MongoDB service using systemctl start mongodb. Enable it to start on boot by running systemctl enable mongodb. Check the status to ensure it is running with systemctl status mongodb. Now, configure MongoDB for TLS and authentication. Create a directory for your certificates with mdir/etc/ssl/mongodb. Generate a self-signed certificate using OpenSSL. Run the command to create the private key and certificate. Make sure to set the proper permissions for the key file. Next, configure MongoDB to use TLS. Open the MongoDB configuration file located at /etc/mongodb.conf. Add the following lines under the net section for TLS settings. Specify the path to your certificate and key files. Set the TLS mode to require TLS for secure connections. Now, enable authentication by adding authorization, enabled under the security section. Save and exit the configuration file. Restart MongoDB to apply the changes with systemctl restart mongodb. Next, connect to the MongoDB shell using the command mongo. Create an admin user to enable authentication. Use the command useadmin to switch to the admin database. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.